Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. To those viewers for the first time, I am Nova, currently residing in the US on a K1 visa from the Philippines since November 2023. I am making videos related on the K1 and adjustment of status process. Just a disclaimer that I have no affiliation with USCIS or any agency. The content is solely based on my personal journey. I hope you find this video informative and beneficial. For today's video guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng I-94 online. So itong I-94 guys is yung travel history mo. So once you entered the US is meron na kayong travel records or history sa US or sa Department of Homeland Security. And ito din guys, itong document na to is importante to for your adjustment of status application. So, paano ba kumuha ng I-94 guys? So, first guys is pumunta kayo sa Google Chrome or yung Edge or kung anong browser na ginagamit nyo. So, i-type nyo lang I-94. And then, yung una makikita nyo guys is I-94 official website. So, i-click nyo lang yan. And then, yung website guys, ito yung website na lalabas. So, I-94 website, travel records for US visitors. Once you are on the website, guys, is scroll down nyo lang. And then yung click nyo is yung get most recent I-94. And then acknowledge and agree. And then ilagay nyo lang yung information nyo, guys. Yung first name, last name, date of birth, document number. This is yung passport number nyo, guys. So if you're confused, meron ding question mark dito kung ano yung document number. So, nakalakay dito, typically, this is your passport number. So, enter mo yung passport number mo. And then, country of citizenship. So, let me put my info first. So, first name, last name, date of birth, and then passport number, and then yung citizenship. Napin nyo lang yung Philippines. And then next. And then after nito na guys, ito yung makikita nyong result. So nandito yung records nyo guys, merong admission of I-94 record number. So itong number guys, may needed din ito sa adjustment of status. So after nito guys, pwede nyo siyang ipiprint as PDF. And then save lang. Tapos yun na yung most recent I-94 for travel history documents nyo. So yun lang guys, how to get the I-94. And hope ito ay nakakatulong sa inyo, especially for those na bago lang dumating sa US and need this form or records. And for the I-94 guys, magamit din ito like for example, gusto nyong kumuha ng social or SSN or your social security number or mga state ID or driver's license. May mga state, depende guys sa case-to-case basis sa per state. So, depende sa state kung pwede kayong kumuha ng state ID, driver's license, social security. Hinahanap din nila ito yung I-94. So, may ibang state, okay sa kanila, pero binibase nila yung expiration date nila guys, or mo guys, is yung admit until date. So, ito yung parang expiration ng 90 days mo from the date you enter the US. So, yun lang guys ang for the I-94. And if you do have questions, please comment down below. And see you on my next vlog. Bye for now. Wanna be